Hello, my name is Kittey and I'm passionate about art, mind, and mental health. It's not only my belief, but has been proven scientifically that art can have a positive impact on your mind and help you improve your mental health. Art can help us be self aware and have an objective view of ourselves. Self awareness helps us to self analyze. Today we are going to do an art exercise. This is first of the many, using color wheel of emotions, and that will help you understand how the colors convey the state of our mind and intentions. So without further ado, let's get started, and we'll work together to create a color wheel of emotions. Here I've got some water paints, color pencils, and white art paper. And you draw a circle and divide it into 6 pies, because we are going to be working with 6 basic emotions. Because we work intuitively, you can do uh, whatever your mind says in that circle. I would like to draw these leaves within those 6 sections that we have just made, and I will be coloring those with the colors that I gravitate towards. As you see on the top right corner, I've already assigned colors to my 6 emotions. I drew with those pencils, the color pencils that I've got. These also can be used as water paints with water after you once drawn with them, and they are Faber-Castell pencils, my favorite brand of pencils, and they really work well. The red here is for anger, though it can be for passion and enthusiasm. Yellow is for happiness, but they say children can get irritated with yellow. And blue is for sadness, but it also can be for calmness, serenity. Orange for me is for surprise, but in Eastern culture, it's also used for spirituality. Purple is for fear, though it can differ in some situations. Green over here is for disgust, or it can be for envy or anything to do with freshness. I've added 2 more emotions here, hope and trust, which are very important for me. Pink is for hope and brown is for trust. I relate earthiness of brown with trust. I must say over here that these colors may vary from person to person, and you also might feel differently towards these colors. I'm going to be using these pencils to fill out these leaves, and then I will go over with a wet brush so that, as I said, the pencils can be used as water paints. And then I also have these palettes, and if I feel like to add a little more density to the color, then I can use these water palettes. I think I'm happy with the leaves now, and I like this patchiness. Now I will be painting the background with hope and trust. Hope is the only emotion that keeps one going. If there is no hope, then there's nothing to look forward to, so one must never lose hope. Maybe that's the reason intuitively I felt like painting the whole circle with hope. There should be hope underlying every emotion. Now I'm using this acrylic pen, which I have got in several colors. Over here, white stands out. So that's what I'm using, and they come in different thicknesses and great to use anywhere that you feel you need to write or draw lines, and they're perfect. I want to give edges to these leaves. Maybe it's a silver lining around every emotion. But I just go with the flow and don't resist what I feel like drawing or painting, and that's what the purpose of using art as therapy. Just do not plan or do not think. Just go with your where your heart or mind takes you. I am drawing this color of trust outside of the whole of wheel of emotion. Maybe because I feel that trust is even more important than hope, because if there is no trust, then how can you hope for anything? So here we got the color wheel of emotions, and I hope you enjoyed making it as I did. And yeah, keep making art mindfully, intuitively, and regularly. And please subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.